Hey guys, over the last year, possibly longer, I've been working on a video course to add another dimension to my fitness business. This has been really challenging, not just from a design and the technical aspect of setting up the course, but actually being in front of the camera is not where you'd normally find me, and it's not something that I found easy to pick up. But this is all done now, it's all set up, and it's finally just about ready to go. But what is the actual online fitness course all about? Now, it's based off the Home Workout for Beginners book that I self-published about 5 years ago now, and it will benefit the beginner to fitness and weight loss the most. I haven't just made a bunch of workout videos and thrown them online. This is a progressive course that's designed with real long-term results in mind. I mean, how many people start a fitness routine, follow a workout video, join a gym, or even pay a whole load of money for a personal trainer with losing weight, toning up, or just getting fit in mind? And these guys get zero results. Now, I can tell you with confidence and a lot of experience that this is the vast majority of people. Anyway, the idea of this home workout course is to give you a step-by-step guide that you can follow along with over a 6-week period. Every week we'll have a set number of exercise sessions to complete. These will be both cardio and resistance sessions, and I'll explain why we're doing what we are doing, because I think this is important too. In the cardio sessions, I'll give more useful and actionable advice that you can use to further boost your fitness and weight loss results. And that brings me on to results are really important to me when it comes to exercise routines, and I think they should be for everyone. I've been in this game for a long time, and I know that once you earn your first set of results, you become harder to stop, and your goal that might have seemed like a fairy tale becomes a lot more realistic. So I'll encourage you to make some lofty goals at the start of the course as well. Now, this is why I've created a sit down and chat section of the course right at the beginning. And this is where we'll have a think about what we want to achieve and plan how we're going to get there. Now, I strongly believe that fitness and earning fitness goals strengthens the mind and mental state and long-term mental robustness of a person. But to reap the positive, life-changing benefits to mental health that comes from fitness results, you need a good mindset to get those results in the first place. So we'll be working on that too. Anyway, if this is something you might be interested in, this is up and running now. You can click on the link somewhere around this video and it'll take you to the sign up page. And once you sign up, you have full lifetime access to all the content and all future content, which I have some plans for already. And as always, if you've got any questions, please give me a shout. I'm always happy to help where I can. Thanks for your time. All the best and take care.